Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, I just dropped a video earlier today. It was the Yeezy foam runners. I have a lot more videos that I'm editing right now that I gotta drop that I already recorded, but I gotta get this one out ASAP because your boy's out the algorithm, you feel me? Like, I haven't dropped a video in like 12 days, I think, or 2 weeks, something like that. And yeah, man, if y'all, you know, just go leave likes on the videos. But if not, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down and hit that subscribe button. And leave a like on this video, man, please. I'm out the algorithm, like I said. And it's my fault, man. I just been lazy. Like, it's been hot in New York. So when I get home, I turn on the AC. It makes a sound in the back, so I don't be trying to record with that sound in the back. And I just lay in bed and I just fall asleep, bro. Like, that's just been what it is. Like, I get home at like 11, 12, lay in bed and I just fall asleep. Usually before, I used to stay up until like 2 a.m. editing. But now, you know, I try to get my editing done in the morning. But I be trying to hit the gym too, you know. It's summertime, your boy trying to, you know, fit the white tees again, you feel me? But I'm getting off track. We are back today with another shoe review. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. I got a lot more coming. But today we have the Yeezy 350 Mono Ice. So when I first seen this shoe, you know, I try to keep up with the sneaker releases as much as I can, but I haven't been doing copper drops. Y'all want to see copper drops, come back to the channel. Make sure y'all let me know down in the comments. I'll bring those back and then I'll be more on top of stuff. But I first seen this shoe like last week when they were saying, oh, this shoe is dropping, and it's a Yeezy 350, but it had like a different upper. Instead of they using prime net, they use like this plastic thing and it has a design. Looked pretty cool. It looked like ice, you feel me? That's why they calling it Mono Ice. I realized that US, Europe, and Asia all had different colorways. In the US, we got the blue one. I think they have a brown one and like a pinkish one, I think, from what I remember. But yeah, we got the light blue one in the US, and it's a pretty nice colorway. And y'all let me know what y'all thought about the details before. So release day, your boy's been out the loop, so I forgot to enter for raffles, forgot to enter for Adidas, confirmed that, but I did enter for Foot Locker, FLX. That's how I get a majority of my sneakers, but they made the system a little bit different this time. Usually, like, people with the most points, they're able to get them, but they're switching it around, so now it's just more randomized. But I don't know, your boy was able to secure 2 pairs. I only picked up 1 because the other pair was in Jersey, which is pretty deep from New York, and traffic is crazy on Fridays and Saturdays in New York, so yeah, I just left them. But I was able to pick up the 6.5. Here we have the box. So yeah, we're just gonna do a review. No on foot, unfortunately. Yeezy Boost 350. This one's made in Vietnam, and the color code is Mon Ice, Mon Ice, Mon Ice, and it's a 6.5. So yeah, there's that. Retail on these was $220 plus tax, so it's like $240 in New York. But yeah, same old 350 box, 350 on top, Yeezy tag on the side, and Boost on this side. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. It's a slide open box as per usual. Right here I have the receipt. And on the inside it comes with this brown tannish paper. Has a little bit of shine to it, like I always say. That's how you check if the paper is real. But yeah, let's get into the shoe. Damn, they wrapped this one up. Usually, you know, you flip it open, you can see they wrapped it up. They double wrapped it. And here we have the sneakers, man. It's kind of hot because it's been in my car. But yeah, that's pretty clean right here. This is pretty clean. They switched up the upper on these, and like, yo, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I should have picked up the size 10. Now I'm looking at these, and yeah, this is pretty cool. This is a size 6, so unfortunately, like I said, no on feet. But yeah, let me give you guys a quick little B-roll and show you guys the details. You guys get a better look before I break down the colorway, materials, and everything of the sneaker. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys got a good detailed look at these joints. This is a pretty clean sneaker for the summer. Not gonna lie, they're different, you know, they're just playing around with different Yeezy looks, and I'm liking what they did here. So yeah, let's just jump into the colorway breakdown. So at the upper, they have this Mono Ice. I don't know if it's getting blurred out from the sunlight, but it's in this light blue colorway. And yes, it's solid, nice colorway for the summer. And then the rest of it is in white. You have the white laces right here. The laces feel different. It's the rope lace, but it's made from plastic. Same thing with the white on the ankle liner and sock liner, whatever you want to call it. The midsole is white, same thing with the outsole and the boost as well. But then they do have this design pattern going on, because they have the white on the inside. If you guys could see, it's making that, you know, that pattern. So as for material, they switched it up from the regular 350s. Usually they use prime knit, but on this one they use this plasticky material. Usually if you check on your recent releases, the stripe, the 350 stripe, is made from this material. So this is like the plastic material that's going around, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice, nothing too crazy. It's like just that material all around, man. Same thing on midsole, they have the boost caged in. Boost is one of the best materials that they use on sneakers, like cushioning systems. And like I said, the rope laces is made from that plastic as well. So yeah, that pretty much breaks down the colorway and materials used on this. As for sizing on Yeezys, I usually recommend people going up half a size, but since these are made from a different material, it's that plastic, and instead of prime knit, I would suggest going true to size, because you know it's not as tightly knit as prime knit. So yeah, you could go true to size on these and you should be solid. And yeah, that pretty much breaks down the whole review. No on foot, because I didn't pick up a size 9. I did have a size 10, but like I said, I didn't pick those up. So yeah, let's just hop into resale predictions on these, man. Now as for resale predictions on these, right now they're coming down again. They was around like 350-ish range to 400 pre-release. Then they started dropping to like 300-ish. Probably right now it's around like high 200s. And that's just how Yeezy's been, man. Yeezys, they typically, when they release, they drop. But Yeezys are pretty easy to monitor, especially since this is a new style. I would recommend picking these up, especially in grade school sizes, because Yeezy and grade school sizes always do well. So if grade school sizes drop under 300, I would suggest picking these up. New style, new colorway, and yeah, pick them up. I do see these going to like 400 or 500 in the future if hype comes along with this silhouette. And I could see like girls rocking these, man. I could really see girls rocking these. So this is definitely a $400 Yeezy for Bay, and that's pretty simple for Yeezys. Like Bay Yeezys, they usually always go for like high 300, 400s. So yeah, that pretty much breaks down resale predictions, man. If you guys get these close to retail, I would suggest doing that and just holding on to them for a little bit, especially summertime. This is a great summer sneaker. Now to wrap things up with my final opinions, right here, I'm basically past Yeezys. I have 2 pairs of Yeezys in my collection. I have the bread Yeezys and I have the black Yeezys, but I sold the black Yeezys, so I only have the bread Yeezys. Oh, and I have a pair of 700 V3s, the black joints. So yeah, those are my 2 Yeezys in my collection. But Yeezys pretty much I pass on them now, because you know it's fake past that Yeezy phase, but it's still very comfortable. I can see people picking these up. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and comments down in the comments down below, man. Y'all thoughts and stuff. And did you pick up a pair, or do you want to pick up a pair? Y'all let me know. Was you able to win? And yeah, it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. And don't forget to subscribe. We out.